Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who's tired of clutter and wants to create a peaceful, stylish home, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about how to achieve a minimalist home. If you're wondering how to make your space feel calm, simple, and beautiful without feeling empty, this video is for you. Minimalism isn't about getting rid of everything you own. It's about choosing quality over quantity, keeping things that truly matter, and creating a space that's both functional and beautiful. I'll share some simple yet effective tips on how to design a minimalist home that's stylish and practical, and the best part is, you don't need to break the bank to do it. So grab a drink, relax, and let's dive right into some practical and stylish tips to create your own minimalist space. Declutter your space. First things first, decluttering is the foundation of minimalist design. You can't have a minimalist home with piles of stuff everywhere. Start by going through each room and getting rid of items you don't use or love. Keep only the things that serve a purpose or bring you joy. This doesn't mean you have to throw everything away. Instead, think about what you use regularly and what adds value to your life. If something hasn't been used in months or years, it's probably time to let it go. Also, consider donating or selling items that are still in good condition. Not only does this free up space, but it also gives you a chance to pass on things that might be helpful to others. By clearing out unnecessary items, you'll immediately feel like your home is more open and calming. Remember, minimalism is about less being more. Invest in quality pieces. When you embrace minimalism, you'll likely find that you don't need as many things. Instead, focus on investing in quality pieces that will stand the test of time. Instead of filling your space with cheap items, save up for furniture and decor that are durable and timeless. For example, a solid wood dining table or a comfortable sofa made from high-quality materials will last longer and look better than low-cost, mass-produced alternatives. These items will make your home feel more sophisticated and intentional, and they'll stay in great condition for years to come. The goal here is to invest in fewer items that serve multiple purposes and look great in your space. Keep the color palette simple. One of the easiest ways to create a minimalist home is by sticking to a simple color palette. Neutral tones like white, beige, gray, and soft pastels work well in minimalist spaces. These colors create a calm, serene atmosphere and help to make the space feel bigger and brighter. You don't have to limit yourself to just one color. You can use a few shades that complement each other and add subtle contrast. Think of soft whites with gray accents or warm beige with hints of sage green. The key is to keep things simple and avoid using too many bold or clashing colors. If you love a pop of color, you can add it through small accents like pillows, art, or a throw blanket. Just make sure the main colors remain neutral to keep your space feeling clean and uncluttered. Use functional furniture in a minimalist home. Every piece of furniture should serve a purpose. Look for multifunctional furniture that can do more than one thing. For example, an ottoman that doubles as a coffee table or a sofa with hidden storage can help keep your home organized and practical. Another great option is furniture that has a clean, simple design. Minimalist furniture typically has sleek lines and is free from excessive detailing or ornamentation. This not only helps reduce visual clutter, but also makes your space look modern and elegant. Also, when choosing furniture, consider the scale of the pieces. Too much oversized furniture can make a space feel cramped, so go for pieces that fit the size of your room and leave enough space to move around freely. Keep walls and surfaces clutter-free. When it comes to minimalism, less is more, especially when it comes to what you put on your walls and surfaces. A few carefully chosen pieces of artwork or photos are all you need to add personality to a room. Avoid over-decorating with too many frames or wall hangings. Similarly, surfaces like countertops and tables should remain free of clutter. Store items like keys, mail, and gadgets out of sight so they don't create visual chaos. If you want to display something on a table, keep it simple and limit it to one or two items, such as a vase with fresh flowers or a unique piece of decor. The more space you keep open, the cleaner and more minimalist your home will feel. Use textures to add interest. Minimalism doesn't mean everything has to be plain or boring. Adding textures is a great way to give your space some warmth and depth without overloading it with items. Think about using materials like wood, wool, linen, and stone. A cozy wool throw on the sofa, linen curtains that let the light through, or a woven rug on the floor can all add texture and make the space feel inviting. Mixing different textures adds interest and dimension without crowding your space with unnecessary items. Incorporate natural elements. Natural elements are a big part of minimalism. Bringing nature into your home adds warmth and creates a soothing environment. Houseplants are a great way to do this. They add a pop of greenery without overwhelming your space. Look for plants that require minimal care, like snake plants or succulents, so they don't become another source of stress. You can also use materials like wood, stone, and ceramic to add a natural touch. A wooden coffee table, a stone vase, or a ceramic bowl can make your space feel more grounded and connected to nature. Keep it organized. Minimalism and organization go hand in hand. Once you've decluttered your home and chosen your furniture and decor, the next step is to keep everything tidy and in its place. This might mean investing in hidden storage solutions, like baskets, drawers, and cabinets, to keep things organized out of sight. A minimalist home is all about having what you need and keeping it organized in a way that doesn't distract from the overall design of the space. Spend a few minutes each day putting things away and staying on top of any clutter that builds up. Focus on lighting. Lighting plays a huge role in creating a minimalist atmosphere. Natural light is ideal, so keep your windows clean and clear of heavy curtains. If you need to use window coverings, opt for light, airy fabrics like linen or cotton that let in as much light as possible. For artificial lighting, choose simple and sleek light fixtures. Pendant lights, track lighting, or recessed lighting are all great options that won't overwhelm your space. Consider using smart bulbs to adjust the lighting depending on the time of day or your mood. Lighting can make your home feel more open, airy, and inviting, and it's an easy way to enhance your minimalist design. Use simple decor accents. Minimalism doesn't mean you can't have decor. It just means your decor should be simple, thoughtful, and intentional. Choose a few meaningful decor items that add character to your space without overwhelming it. A piece of art, a sculpture, or a decorative vase are all great options. Keep in mind that minimalist design focuses on clean lines and neutral tones, so choose accents that align with this style. Avoid collecting too many trinkets or novelty items. Instead, go for quality over quantity. Conclusion. And that's how you can create a minimalist home that's both stylish and practical. It's all about decluttering, investing in quality pieces, and keeping things simple and organized. Minimalism doesn't mean you have to live in a sterile or empty space. It's about creating a home that reflects your style while being functional and peaceful. Let me know in the comments which tip you're most excited to try in your own home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.